Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to display screenshots on your Steam profile. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click the In-Game tab. Set or change your screenshot shortcut key under the Take a Screenshot Shortcut Keys field. Scroll down to the External Screenshots folder section and click Change Folder if you want to choose a different save location. Make sure screenshot functionality is enabled before closing the settings window. During gameplay, use your shortcut key to capture screenshots. They will be saved in the folder you selected. After your session, go to your Steam profile and choose Upload Screenshots. Once uploaded, your screenshots will be visible on your profile for others to enjoy. And that is it. You have just learned how to show screenshots on your Steam profile. Enjoy sharing your gaming highlights. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.